Hello, Haripriya. What is this? Oh, correct. Match. Where we have done this conjugate one we were doing, na? Conjugate we have completed. Acha, ellipse with center alpha beta. Okay. We were doing tangent and normal. Acha, now when we are talking about tangent and normal, acha, before that, let me tell you one thing. Like we used to take, they will be joining. Okay. Like we used to take parametric point, na, in parabola 80 square comma 280. Here we can easily take a parametric point on ellipse as a cos theta comma b sin theta. But you will ask me question. See, the point you can take is a cos theta comma b sin theta. That's one way. Because equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So we should have any point which will satisfy this ellipse in any condition. So we can take it like this. Okay. Now someone will say, sir, why not a sin theta, b cos theta? Why not that? You can take that also. Because the similar way, like the way you have taken this point, you can take a cos of pi by 2 plus theta, na? Comma b sin pi by 2 plus theta. That also will give you, then this cos theta will become sin theta will become cos theta, it doesn't matter. Right? So it doesn't matter whatever you take, but it's a general practice that we take the parametric point as a cos theta comma b sin theta. Okay, Haripriya? Clear? Easy? Now tell me, now brush up your concept because I told you to remember. See, one image also I have sent you. One image that compares the equation of tangent, chord and everything given na, for ellipse, ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. It's for you remembering. Heck ghost. He is Kanishka. Actually, I don't know. I think she plays the game. I'll ask her. Kanishka?
Sir, I don't play any game.
But your names
Sir, I
are.
don't like to play any game, sir.
You like ghosts?
Yeah, no, sir, kinda. I just watch the horror movies.
You watch
Not
horror
that
movies?
much.
Achha,
Not that much.
you like horror movies or not?
No, not sir, not that much. Only a little bit.
Okay. You know, every time your name is changed, your name comes like this. Ghost. Here, hack ghost. Today is hack ghost. Ghost who hacks. Acha, do you play games at all, Kanishka?
No, sir.
No games. Haripriya, what
But I
about you?
know many games used to play people in the COVID.
Which
PUBG, Free
pub?
Fire, and all.
You never played it.
No, I don't like.
You don't like that. Okay. What about you, Haripriya? You play any game? Computer game?
I used to say,
Which one?
uh, So many I used to play.
Did
I
you
used to play this.
did any one of you played on this one console, PlayStation and all like that? No, no.
No, sir. I tried once. I haven't had consequences.
I don't play it. It's very addicting. I should just wait for 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Just coming. Hello. यार ऊपर आ जाओ सब कुछ. But your names are interesting, Kanishka. I like the names.
So from the next time, I will join from my own name.
No. No, keep this name. It's funny. Tangent and normal. What we were doing, tangent and normal. Acha, the same thing that same tricks that we actually use in the earlier cases that applies here. Suppose we have a point x1 comma y1. You know the trick. X square changes to xx1, y square changes to yy1, x changes to x plus x1 by 2, y changes to y plus y1 by 2. Now just tell me very quickly, if the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, then what would be the equation of tangent? Give me the equation.
X1 by a square plus y
Y by 1 by b square. Very good. It's easy only. Acha, what would be the equation if I have taken the point x1 y1 as a parametric point, that is a cos theta comma b sin theta? If x1 is a cos theta, y1 is b sin theta. Diva, we have just covered one thing, that parametric point. We can take any point on the ellipse as a cos theta comma b sin theta because it eases the process, eases the calculation. Sometimes some people can take a sin theta comma b cos theta also. It's not a problem, but it's a general practice to take a cos theta comma b sin theta as a parametric point on ellipse. Correct? Then we were discussing about tangent and normal. If we have taken the parametric point as a cos theta comma b sin theta, then what equation of tangent will be? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1. Easy. Acha. Now, since you know, you cannot use this trick method to find out the normal equation. Use your general method that you already know to find out the equation of normal. At point x1 y1 and then at parametric point.
Sir, I got something.
Tell me.
Y equal to minus a tan theta x.
Tell me again.
Y equal to minus a tan theta x.
No, it's wrong. This is a line which is passing through the 0, 0. It's not necessary the normal will always pass through the center.
So it's not necessary.
No. Only in the case of circle, the normal always passes through the center. But in the case of ellipse, it's not necessary that the normal will pass through center always.
Sir, could you show how to do it?
See, it's easy. First, you need to find out the slope. First slope of the tangent is 2x by a square plus 2y by b square dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to minus b square x by a square y. And now at a point x1, y1, it will be minus b square x1 by a square y1. Correct? This is the slope of tangent. The slope of normal will be what? It's reciprocal. It will be a square y1 by b square x1. Now what will be the equation of normal? It will be y minus y1 is equal to a square y1 by b square x1 into x minus x1. So b square y by y1 I'll take it here minus b square y1 by y1 will cancel is equal to a square x by x1 minus a square x1 by x1. So a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equal to a square minus b square. This is your equation of normal at x1, y1. Okay. Clear? Now, if you want to find at any parametric point, it will be ax by a square x by a cos theta minus b square y by b sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. So it will further simplify it to be a will get cancelled. So it will become ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equal to a square minus b square. These two you should remember. It will be easy for you. I've told you how to get it. Okay, clear? These are the equation of normals. Those are the equation of tangent. Did I give you a question then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try this. It's a good question, good level, not an easy level one, but not very difficult also. Logically, you can solve it. Try to understand this first. If you need any help, ask me. So are you getting idea?
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Okay, right. इसमें डाल दो. See, the problem where you'll face the problem is you will have to find out this point. That's the problem you will face. Everything you will find. A, B, E, everything you will find out. So the important thing is how will you find out this point P, X and Y1? For that they have given
So should we find the value of 5 minus c square? Or
5 minus E square into A. 5 minus E square is easy to find.
okay, it's multiplication.
It's multiplied with A. Its slope is minus 1 by 2, it's given. So its slope will be 2. I have solved it. How much you are? Let me see. I'm getting the answer or not. 9 by 2 into 4 by 3. Hmm. Actually, students will solve this question by using advanced method. Means the method that I'll tell you later. But up to this knowledge also you can solve it like I have solved it. See, could you understand?
Sir, what is equation 1?
Equation 1, the slope of the tangent.
Okay.
See, using the general method, when I was trying to find out the normal at x and y1, did I found try to find out how I found out the slope of the tangent, right? At a point x
Sir,
and
I
y1
forgot.
minus b square x by x1 by a square y1. It actually, see, why I actually teach you all the methods, because we do not know at what point you may use which method. So this tangent slope you have made use of it. Slope of tangent, and how I found out the slope of tangent here, because they have given x plus 2y is equal to 0 is normal to this line, normal to our tangent. The slope of this x plus 2y is equal to 0 is minus half. So then what would be the slope of this tangent? It's perpendicular, it will be 2. Product of the slope is minus 1. Now the slope of the tangent we know. At any point x and y1, the tangent slope is minus b square x1 by a square y1. So from this, b square is 4, a square is 8. So from this, we'll get relation in x and y1. Also, we know x and y1 lies on the ellipse also, so it should satisfy 8. And then what I did was, using the equation 1 and 2, I tried to find out the value y1. That's all. I was not at all concerned with the value of x1. Why? Because in finding out the area, it's a triangle P, S and S dash. If I know this perpendicular, the base length we know. Base length, actually for that we have to find out E also. B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square, that relation. E we have found out. AE we have to find. A we know. So AE is this. 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2, it's 2 comma 0. So foci here 2 comma 0 and minus 2 comma 0. So the length of the base is 4. Vertical height is 2 by 3 of this triangle. So what's the area? Base, half into base into height. I found out the area. Now I don't know whether you may be thinking of this way or the other way. Some people try to find it using determinant method, but it's very easy this way. 4 by 3 is the area. 5 minus E value you have already got. So 5 minus E square into area. Answer we have got. Now ask me what doubts you have. Try to understand it. By the time I'll select some other question. Okay, Diva. Okay, Haripriya, Kanishka. Understood now?
Yes.
Okay, try this one. I'm directly giving JEE main level questions, 2025, year 2021, 2025. But don't think they are difficult, because I want you to think up to that level. You may be thinking it's difficult, but it's not difficult for you. Try to think how you will arrive at the solution. If you get stuck somewhere, ask me. Did you understand this question? What this question is?
Sir, I didn't understand like why are they asking about two such ellipses? Like how are we?
See, that's why. If you consider an ellipse, this is a point, √3, half, suppose. There are two foci, AE, 0 minus AE, 0. Now, this distance into this distance is equal to is 7/4. D1 into D2, it's given. Now, what will happen? One more thing is there. You will find out a relation between A and B also. Actually, I should have given this question as a homework. I'm explaining you why two such ellipses are given. So you will get some relation in A and E. using this relation. Correct? Now also this root 3 comma half lies on the ellipse, so it should satisfy it. Root 3 whole square by a square plus 1 by 4 b square is what? A square into 1 minus e square is equal to 1. Correct? One more relation a and b you have got. When you will solve this 1 and 2 equation, you will be getting a quadratic in e. Correct? So for which quadratic in e you will get, for which roots will be e1 comma e2. Correct? When you will solve 1 and 2, you will get a quadratic. Roots are e1 and e2. Now for that they are asking e1 minus e2. It's better if you take it as a homework. I want you to attempt on your own. Understood, Diva? Why they are asking two ellipse?
Yes, sir.
Two eccentricities they mean. You have to solve two such equation, this one equation and the second equation. Eliminate a from these two, and then you will be getting an equation which will be quadratic in e. For that it has two roots e1 and e2, and then for that you have to find e1 minus e2. That's the way to solve it. Let me give you an easier question. Actually, better level now. Try solving this. Take it as a homework. Okay, this question. If you're not able to do, I'll show it how to solve it in the next class. But I want you to try it yourself, because I've given you the idea how to solve it. Attempt this one. This is ellipse and the circle. First, you try to think of a way to solve this question. If you're not getting any idea, I'll give you an idea. If you have got the idea, try solving it. Haripriya, are you getting the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Diva,
Yes, sir.
Kanishka, Kanishka idea आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I think I will have to give you this question as a homework again. Taking time. Did anyone of you got the answer? No, then take this above one and this one as a homework. Probably in the next class I'll complete this ellipse.
Sir, after ellipse, we have hyperbola.
After that, hyperbola. Hyperbola, rectangular hyperbola is very small. Hyperbola. After that, hyperbola, and then it's over. But few classes I will take for this to make you practice questions. Because the questions, you may not be very comfortable in solving the questions. If you are comfortable, then only I'll move on. Otherwise, I'll make you solve some questions in few classes. Because whenever they give questions in coordinate geometry, in ellipse and conic sections, they actually combine the concepts. They actually give combined questions. Circles with parabola, parabola with ellipse, circles and ellipse mostly, ellipse with hyperbola, like that. Okay, take it as a homework, try to do it. and give me, if you get the answer, give me in the next class. Okay, I'm ending it.